Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video you will learn cursive handwriting. So let's practice together. See, it is very easy to write, not much difficult. You can easily improve your writing by practicing with me. Cursive handwriting is very beautiful and neat handwriting. Whenever you have done with the practice of cursive handwriting, then you can write very fast in exam and in your test. By neat handwriting, you can impress your teacher or anyone else easily. For this, keep practicing and make your writing impressive. These words are very beautiful. So wait for the end. Watch full video. Don't skip it, okay? And also like and subscribe my channel. I am giving you some time. So please subscribe and like my video, okay? Done? Okay, good. Keep watching, and also if you want any paragraph on specific topic, then you can also tell me in comment section. I will definitely respond and will make video on that topic, inshallah. If you have any difficulty to write any word or paragraph or even letter, so you can tell me in comment section too. I will definitely upload a video on that and will make easy for you to write in cursive writing. Do not let your difficulties fill you with anxiety. How beautiful words are these. Wait for the rest of the words. Do not let your difficulties fill you with anxiety. After all, it is only in the darkest nights that stars shine more brightly. So here are the words. Do not let your difficulties fill you with anxiety. After all, it is only in the darkest nights that stars shine more brightly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.